I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in ShanoukiArt's Full Deck Challenge 2. And our prompts this time are coffee, heart or hearts, a button or buttons, and roll paper. And what I'm going to use, I've got this coffee dyed parchment paper and this coffee dyed doily. And I've actually got buttons that are hearts, so I'm going to use those. And I like the colors of this paper, and I think it would go good with this. So this is what I'm going to make my rolled papers out of. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and be sure and check out Shanouki's art channel. I will have it listed in my description box down below, as well as the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 2. And be sure and check them out and see what everybody makes. I love doing these little cards. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. I've got my coffee dyed doily, I've got my rolled paper, I've got my heart and my button, which is the same thing. I added a little bit of gold foil. I thought it made it pop, and when I was taking the buttons off of the card, I really liked the card, so I added a few pieces of that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out ShanoukiArt, and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 2. This is card number 11. And until next time, bye y'all.